So this would be the street in Go Saigon on Market Day. Small town in northeast India.
Now we're approaching the crusade site.
And it's so bouncy. This will make you sick to your stomach as you watch it. That will never work.
So he wrote
a letter to the lawyer.
And he
pleaded with him to please take his case.
And see if he
could find any way for an appeal. And since this lawyer had never turned away anyone who came to him for help,
I'm very blessed to introduce you today, all the members at Mercy Christian Fellowship, to a wonderful young pastor in Go Saigon, India. His name is Pastor Sanjeev, and he just wanted to share something with all of you from his heart today. So, Sanjeev, go ahead and share your heart with them.
Hello, I'm Sanjeev here, and I stay in a place called Gosaigaon, which comes under the state Assam, which is in the northeastern part of India. We have been doing ministry here since 20 years, and the Lord is blessing us tremendously. We are working among the people groups like Santalis, the Bodos, the Brahmas, Bengalis, the Nepalis, the Biharis, etc. The Lord has been faithful in helping us, utilizing us, and all the pastors, the evangelists, the Bible gurus, in different areas of this ministry. And we would like to thank Pastor Mike and his wife Dennis Walsh for coming all the way from America to this part of India and encouraging us. Our people lack faith, and it was a great honor for us to have these wonderful people from America who ministered among us in such a wonderful way. Our people were blessed during this the crusade that we had from the 29th of January to the 31st of January. It was a great blessing. People were healed. There were many who gave their lives to Jesus. There were also many unbelievers as well as the nominal Christians who gave their life to Jesus. We would like to thank them for all the things that they did. Especially, we would like to thank them for the financial needs that we had to cover, and they, with their help, we could cover all the financial expenses, which was much needed, and we could not have done that without their help. We would like to thank them for their help in the financial matters, and also we would like to